Tom is a boy. He is 7 years old. He likes books. He likes to read. One rainy morning, Tom wakes up. "I cannot go outside today," Tom says. He eats breakfast. He eats bread and cheese. He drinks milk. Tom thinks, "I will go to the library." He puts on his coat and shoes. He takes his bag. He walks to the library. The library is big. It has many books. Tom sees many children. They read books quietly. Tom says, "Hello." A girl smiles and says, "Hello." Tom walks to the first shelf. He sees books about animals. He likes animals. He takes a book about dogs. He opens the book. He reads, "Dogs are friendly. Dogs like to play. Dogs like to eat." Tom reads for a while. Then he hears a sound. "Who is there?" Tom asks. A little cat is on the floor. The cat is white and small. The cat looks hungry. Tom takes some bread from his bag. He gives it to the cat. The cat eats quickly. The cat is happy. Tom says, "Hello, little cat. My name is Tom." Tom puts the book on the table. He sees a big book about space. He opens the book. He sees stars, planets, and rockets. Tom says, "Wow, I want to go to space." Tom reads about the planets. He learns about the sun, the moon, and Mars. He learns about astronauts. He learns about rockets. Tom dreams about flying in a rocket. Then Tom hears a voice. "Do you like books?" a boy asks. "Yes," says Tom. "I like animals and space books." The boy says, "My name is Sam. I like books too." Tom and Sam sit together. They read a book about animals. They read about lions, tigers, and elephants. After a while, Tom sees a poster. It says, "Library Fun Hour. Come and read with us." Tom and Sam go to the fun hour. Many children are there. The teacher is Mrs. Green. She is kind. "Hello, children," Mrs. Green says. "Today we will read and play with words." Mrs. Green reads a story about a little rabbit. Tom listens carefully. Sam listens carefully. The story is fun. Everyone laughs. After the story, Mrs. Green gives the children paper and pencils. "Draw your favorite animal," she says. Tom draws a dog. Sam draws a tiger. The little cat watches them. Then Mrs. Green says, "Let's make a book together." The children write words. The children draw pictures. Tom writes, "Tom and Max go to the library." Sam draws a rocket. Time goes fast. The sun goes down. "It is time to go home," Mrs. Green says. Tom waves goodbye to Sam. He waves goodbye to Mrs. Green. He takes the little cat in his arms. "You can come home with me," he says. The cat purrs. It is happy. Tom walks home. He thinks, "Today is a very good day. I read books. I made a friend. I met a cat. I learned many things." Tom smiles. He is happy. At home, Tom puts his books on the table. He feeds the little cat. He drinks some milk. He says, "Tomorrow I will go back to the library." Tom goes to bed. He dreams about animals, rockets, and stars. Tom is happy. The little cat is happy. They are friends forever.